Hello students, welcome to Standard 10 Science and Technology Part 1, Chapter number 3, Chemical Reactions and Equations. And today we are going to study the last unit, that is oxidation reaction, a reduction reaction, a combined reaction known as redox reaction, and two smaller units, that is corrosion and let us start with the first type of the reaction, that is oxidation. So oxidation is the chemical reaction in which a reactant combines with oxygen or loses hydrogen to form the product is called as oxidation. अशी रिॲक्शन की ज्याच्यामध्ये रिॲक्टंट हा ऑक्सिजन बरोबर कंबाईन होतो किंवा त्याच्यामधला हायड्रोजन रिलीज करतो, या टाईपच्या रिॲक्शनला आपण ऑक्सिडेशन रिॲक्शन म्हणतो. दॅट मीन्स ॲडिशन ऑफ ऑक्सिजन ऑर रिमूव्हल ऑफ हायड्रोजन इज नोन ॲज द ऑक्सिडेशन रिॲक्शन. द केमिकल सबस्टन्स विच ब्रिंग्स अबाउट ऑक्सिडेशन reaction by making oxygen available are called as oxidants. अशी केमिकल रिॲक्शन ज्याच्यामधून ऑक्सिजन अवेलेबल केला जातो त्याला आपण ऑक्सिडंट्स म्हणतो किंवा ऑक्सिडायझिंग एजंट्स म्हणतो. द केमिकल सबस्टन्सेस विच ब्रिंग अबाउट an oxidation reaction by making oxygen available is known as the oxidants or the oxidizing agents. Now the example is combustion of carbon. The oxygen is an oxidant. Means when carbon gets combusted, when carbon burns, the combustion of carbon takes place to form carbon dioxide. Means here oxygen is added, so it is the oxidation reaction. Second example, there is ethane, CH3 single bond CH3. When heated, will form CH2 double bond CH2 and hydrogen gas is released. Here hydrogen is released. Either carbon is added or hydrogen is released, then this type of reactions are known as oxidation reaction. The variety of oxidants, say for example K2Cr2O7 means potassium dichromate and H2SO4, or another one more is KMnO4 and H2SO4 are the commonly used chemical oxidants, where hydrogen peroxide is used as a mild oxidant. हायड्रोजन पेरॉक्साइड आपण माइल्ड ऑक्सिडंट म्हणून त्याला यूज करतो. Ozone is also a chemical oxidant. Ozone gas is also one of the chemical oxidant. Nascent oxygen is generated by chemical oxidants and it is used for oxidation reaction. Nasal oxygen जो आहे nascent oxygen तो वापरला जातो chemical reaction मध्ये आणि ऑक्सिडेशन रिॲक्शन घडून येते. ओझोन गॅस विल फॉर्म ऑक्सिजन प्लस नेसंट ऑक्सिजन. ओझोन मीन्स O3 will form O2 plus nascent oxygen is written as O in a bracket, square bracket. H2O2 is oxidized into H2O plus nascent oxygen, while K2Cr2O7 plus 4H2SO4 will be converted into K2SO4 potassium sulfate plus chromium sulfate plus 4H2O plus 3 nascent oxygen, and the second one is KMnO4 plus H2SO4 will oxidize into form K2SO4 plus twice MnSO4 plus thrice H2O plus 5 times nascent oxygen. Here in all reactions nascent oxygen is made available which is a state prior to the formation of oxygen molecule. एकच ऑक्सिजन जेव्हा तयार होतो तेव्हा त्याला नेसंट ऑक्सिजन म्हणतात. तो नेसंट ऑक्सिजन स्वतःबरोबरच कंबाईन होतो आणि ऑक्सिजन मॉलिक्यूल फॉर्म होतो. ही ऑक्सिजन मॉलिक्यूल फॉर्म होण्याच्या अगोदरची प्रोसेस. It is a reactive form of oxygen and is represented by writing the symbol as in a square bracket O. Now second reaction is known as reduction reaction. ही रिॲक्शन ऑक्सिडेशन रिॲक्शनच्या कम्प्लिटली अपोजिट आहे. ऑक्सिडेशनमध्ये ऑक्सिजन कंबाईन होतो, हायड्रोजन रिलीज होतो. याच्यामध्ये हायड्रोजन कंबाईन होतो, ऑक्सिजन रिलीज होतो. Chemical reaction in which reactants gain hydrogen or loses oxygen to form a product is known as reduction. The chemical substance that brings about reduction is known as reductant. अशा केमिकल सबस्टन्सला रिडक्टंट म्हणतात की जे रिडक्शन घडवून आणतं. or it is also known as reducing agent. जसं ऑक्सिडायझिंग एजंट आणि ऑक्सिडंट्स म्हणतात तसं रिड्युसिंग एजंट आणि रिडक्टंट. व्हेन हायड्रोजन गॅस इज पास्ड ओव्हर ब्लॅक कॉपर ऑक्साईड ए रेडिश कलर्ड लेअर ऑफ कॉपर इज फॉर्म. म्हणजे हायड्रोजन गॅस जर पास केला कॉपर ऑक्साईडवरून तर कॉपर फॉर्म होतो आणि H2O मॉलिक्यूल, कारण H2O मॉलिक्यूल विच इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ए गॅस. हिअर hydrogen is added, hence it is known as reduction, and oxygen is made available. ऑक्सिजन अवेल केला जातो कारण हायड्रोजन ऑक्सिजन जो आहे तो यातनं वेगळा केला जातो, हायड्रोजन ॲड केला जातो. रिडॉक्स रिॲक्शन, द रिॲक्शन इन विच इन्व्हॉल्व्स simultaneous oxidation and reduction is called as the oxidation reduction or redox reaction. redox reaction म्हणजेच काय, ज्याच्यामध्ये री मीन्स रिडक्शन आहे and ox means oxygen आहे. reduction plus oxygen oxidation reaction is there, hence it is known as redox reaction. Now in a redox reaction, one reactant gets oxidized while the other gets reduced, bringing a reaction. Means redox reaction is equal to reduction plus oxidation. In this reaction, a reductant is oxidized by the oxidant and oxidant is reduced by reductant. या प्रोसेसमध्ये रिडक्टंट हे ऑक्सिडाइज्ड केले जातात ऑक्सिडंट्सने आणि ऑक्सिडंट हे रिड्यूस्ड केले जातात रिडक्टंटने. कॉपर ऑक्साइड प्लस वॉटर विल फॉर्म कॉपर प्लस H2O and twice H2S hydrogen sulfide plus SO2 sulfur dioxide then form sulfur plus H2O. So this is the example of a redox reaction. Means here there is a reduction and here there is oxidation takes place. There is another one more example, MnO2 plus 4HCl will form MnCl2 plus twice H2O plus Cl2. Here also both the processes takes place in the same reaction. Now next unit is corrosion. Corrosion is a complex process. Due to various components of the atmosphere, oxidation of the metal takes place, consequently resulting in their damage. This is called as corrosion. याला आपण गंजण्याची प्रक्रिया म्हणतो, रस्टिंग म्हणतो. Iron rust and reddish colored layer is collected on it. This is corrosion of iron. This is also termed as rusting of iron and the formula for the rust is Fe2O3 dot H2O. This was asked in March 2020 for 5 marks. The process of corrosion in iron, that is the question is given in the exercise. Different reactions which takes place that which you have to explain with the help of the figure given in the textbook. प्रिव्हेन्शन ऑफ करोजन. हाऊ टू प्रिव्हेंट द करोजन. करोजन आपल्याला कसा टाळता येऊ शकतो. करोजन or damage. Corrosion damages the buildings, bridges, automobiles, ships, iron railings and other articles made up of irons. जे ज्या वस्तू आयरनपासून बनलेल्या आहेत त्या सगळ्या डॅमेज केल्या जाऊ शकतात. इट कॅन बी प्रिव्हेंटेड बाय यूजिंग अँड अँटी रस्ट सोल्युशन. हे टाळता येऊ शकतं अँटी रस्ट सोल्युशन यूज करून. और कोटिंग द सरफेस बाय पेंट or by different processes like galvanization and electroplating. So these are the advanced processes, galvanizing and electroplating, and instead of that, by painting the surface or by oiling it, the rusting can be avoided. And last smallest unit, that is rancidity. When we keep a cans of the fats and oils for a long time without disturb, after 1 or 2 months, when we open the lid of that can, there is a fetid smell. That fetid smell odor is a rancidity, a smell of rancid substance. So fats and oils in food is kept for a long time, gets oxidized. It is found to have foul odor called as rancidity, and due to rancidity there may be possibility of formation of the poisoning in the food. Next, from this video you can write the answers of these several questions. Define oxidation and reduction reaction. Give example of each type of the reaction. What is a redox reaction? Explain with the example. The next one is the what is corrosion? Explain the steps involved in corrosion of iron, and define and explain rancidity. Along with these questions which are based on this video, you have to solve all the questions of this chapter from the exercise. Thank you.